Don't you hate when the power goes out, your phone's dying, and you're in the dark? Imagine being stuck without electricity. No power means no fun on camping trips. Cheap generators can let you down. They don't last and they're loud. Meet the Honda generator. This bad boy keeps you charged. It's so quiet, you'll forget it's there. Stay safe with TO Minder Tech. Easy to move with you anywhere. Don't wait. Power up your adventures. Grab yours before the lights go out again. You can buy it right now via the link in the description or in my comments to the video.